next feature that I'm going to tell you about today is a Chrome app that you can access by typing in Chrome with a semicolon and 2 slashes and apps. It will pop up to a screen like this with your apps on it. I'm going to click on Clarospeak. Clarospeak, when it opens into a word processing document. You can use Clarospeak to do many things, including speech to text, text to speech, as well as word prediction. Let me show you how. I'm going to start with the speech to text. It is very similar to the voice typing. In order to use it, all you need to do is use the green microphone. You click on it and you start to talk. It will record you and type what you write. When you are done speaking, you press the green button again and it will stop. Go ahead and watch. Hello, how are you today? Notice it typed exactly what I said. If I would like this read back to me, all I need to do is highlight it and press the play button. It will then read it back to me.
Hello, how are you today?
I can press the red square to stop, and that will stop the recording from reading. I can also use this for word prediction. Word prediction is very helpful for struggling writers, students who have difficulties with spelling. And the cool part about this is it will, once I type a word and the words start to pop up, it will read the words aloud for me. Here's how it works.
Had. Have. Her.
Notice it reads whatever word I roll my mouse over.
Have.
That is very helpful for students who need the words read aloud to them if they cannot read it themselves. If the student has completed something that they are happy with and would like to save it, all they need to do is go over to the right to the yellow file folder. If you are on a PC or a Mac, it will save automatically into wherever you designate, whatever folder. If you are on a Chromebook, it will save automatically into Google Drive, which is a nice feature that is available. Another great feature of Clarospeak is the ability to import a document or a PDF file to have it read aloud to a struggling student. Here's how you do that. On the left-hand side, you'll notice there's a few blue squares. If you click on that, it will open up. Again, on a PC or a Mac, it will open up to your folders. On Google Drive, it will open up, or on a Chromebook, it will open right up to Google Drive. I'm going to select a PDF file, and I'm going to press open, and it opens directly into the Clarospeak window. In order to have something read aloud, such as the directions, all I need to do is scroll my mouse over it, what I want it to read, press that play button, and it will read it to me.
Match to each circled part.
Notice I press stop, it stops reading. This is very helpful for students to start to work independently if they have reading difficulties. If I had selected the wrong item or I wanted to change this, all I need to do is select these two squares in the middle and it clears everything that I was working on. No problems. One small last feature is these two gears up here open up to different settings. You can change the voices to different languages should you have an ESL student, as well as the speed that the person is going to speak in, if you would like them to echo words or sentences, or if you want to change the background color from a different color, or the font or size. This is also where you can turn word prediction on or off, depending on your student. Last feature is the dictionary. That is the blue square over here. When you click, if you had a document up and the student was unsure of the meaning of a word, they just highlight the word and select dictionary. It will tell them the definition. Very helpful. Now that you have heard all about the apps and extensions that we have discussed today, you're probably curious to know how you can use them and get them for your students and for yourself. So you're going to go to the Chrome Web Store. And on the side, you'll notice there is an option for extensions, apps, and then there should be an option that says for sbschools.org. When you click on this, it should come up with those features that we talked about today, those specific extensions. In addition, you will also have access to another, which is Google Translate, which is great for ELL students. In this case, all you would need to do is click on that extension to add it to your account. You'll be able to do that as well on the Chromebooks for the students' accounts. They have the same access for sbschools.org, and then they should be able to add these extensions to their account to use as well. Good luck,